In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on YouTube. So first thing we need to do is head over to the YouTube website and click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and just make sure you're signed in to the correct YouTube account. So you can go and click on this switch account button, but I'm already signed in to the correct account, so I'm going to click on view your channel. Now once you're on your YouTube homepage, go and hover over the profile picture and then you can just click on it like so. Now that's going to take you over to your YouTube studio and you can come down to the picture. Now you can also upload a cover photo as well, but for this video, we'll just be uploading a profile picture. Now before you upload your photo, you need to make sure that it's at least 98 by 98 pixels and it needs to be 4 megabytes or less in size. It also needs to be a PNG or a GIF image format. So as long as you meet these requirements, click on upload and then you can just go and select your new profile picture. Now it will take you to this window here where you can go and crop out a certain section of the image and click on done. You can then press publish in the top right hand side, and that's how to change your profile picture on YouTube.